Grab some balloons, satin ribbon, and glue dots at your local dollar store. Measure and cut the ribbon into 36-inch lengths. Blow up a whole bunch of balloons, tie them off, and add satin ribbons to the end. Cut individual glue dots from their tape and press onto the end of each balloon. Cut small pieces of painter's tape. Press the top of the balloon to the tape with the attached glue dot. Hang multiple balloons to create a colorful setting for your next celebration. The next time you are at the grocery store, pick up a tub of whipped topping. Spread the topping on a baking sheet and put it in the freezer for an hour. Take it out of the freezer and cut out your favorite shape with a cookie cutter. Plop it in a mug full of hot chocolate for a tasty and charming hot chocolate topper. Grab some small wood rings and spray paint them black. Take some Nutcracker ornaments and remove the ornament string. Add a dot of hot glue to the back of the Nutcracker and press the wood ring onto the glue in a horizontal position. Stuff your new Nutcracker napkin ring with your favorite napkin and place it front and center on a beautiful holiday table setting. Pick up a roll of cellophane wrap from the dollar store and then gather some rolls of toilet paper. Place a roll of toilet paper in the center of a piece of cellophane wrap. Pull the corners and sides of the wrap around the top of the roll and tie with some fun ribbon. Paint some black eyes and a mouth, an orange carrot nose, and add some touches of white for highlights. Style your new snowman in your bathroom. These charming snowmen will be ready and waiting for your wintertime guests.